This is my channel. I call it Joe Fixes It. This is where I work in my garage and shop on my Mark II Jetta diesels and my X-Mark mowers, and occasionally on some other abstract things like sharpening your chainsaw blade. Initially, when I got my chainsaw, I wanted to know how to sharpen the blades. There are a ton of videos out there on how to do it with a file, guides, and all sorts of little gadgets. But there wasn't that many out there on how to sharpen with an automatic saw sharpener. Most people aren't going to shell out $400 or $500, but I'm not one of those. I have an automatic saw sharpener. You may think it a little bit frivolous. Life to me is about being frivolous and having nice equipment. Besides my saw sharpener, I've got a little bag of tools that go with it in order to be able to sharpen chainsaw blades correctly. Let me show you what I have inside. We have the instruction manual for my chainsaw blade sharpener. In here, it'll tell you how to operate it, and it also has a chart to tell you where to set your angles for each individual chainsaw blade that you're going to come across. I keep two shapes of grinding wheels. The first is the wheel with the rounded edge. This is the one I use to sharpen the cutters. It's a round wheel that I have to dress occasionally to keep it perfectly round, and I use this to keep it straight. I drilled a hole in a piece of metal and cut it halfway through, and that saved me spending a few bucks for a gauge. And then I have a dressing stone for my wheel. The second is a square wheel that I use to grind down the depth gauges on the blades, and I use this to grind the depth gauges down about every third or fourth grinding. This is my depth gauge checker that I use for the chainsaw blades. More on that later. Even though I have a grinder, we still need this file. This is the cutter. This is the depth gauge. This should be slightly shorter than this. Usually about 25 thousandths. This is the drive link, and that's what pushes the chain along. Down in here in the bottom is the gullet. When you're sharpening, you really don't want to cut into the gullet. So let's get on with this video, and let me show you how to sharpen your chainsaw blades on an automatic sharpener. I'm going to go ahead and get started and put the sharpening stone in the grinder. The next thing we're going to do is set the vise assembly at the proper angle. That's going to vary according to what chain you have. Usually the manual for this will have the specs on it and tell you where to set it. In my case, I set it at 30 degrees. Depending on whether we're doing the right hand cutters or the left hand cutters, this goes at 30 degrees. The next thing we're going to set is the grinder head angle. With my case, it's set at 60 degrees. And we lock it into position with this handle. I'm going to pick the cutter with the most wear and mark it with a permanent marker so I know which one to start on. Alright, now that I've got that marked, okay, we're going to load the chain into the cutter vise and to get it adjusted and ready to sharpen. This is adjusted for setting the guide plate for where we want the chain to be when the cutting head comes down. In this wheel, we set the depth of how far this goes down and cuts into it. So this is pretty much it. We just go forward. Now we do every other one because there's a right and a left-handed cutter. So we go to the next one. Until we go all the way around. Now that we've done one side, we simply rotate the vise plate to 30 degrees in the opposite direction. Before we start, we need to set up again and move our plate back where we're just making contact. Now we've sharpened the blade, we've sharpened the left and right hand cutters. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the depth gauge. Typically, you don't need to do this, but about every 2 or 3 sharpenings. I've sharpened these guys a number of times. I've actually been abusing my blades quite badly by cutting into dirt and stuff, and I've gone through like 9 or 10 blades, and tonight is the night to sharpen them all. So let's throw this thing back in the vise and get the gauge out. put the gauge on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the manual file and grind the depth gauge down to this prescribed length, and then we're going to change grinder wheels and then grind all of them down to the same length so I don't have to do each and every one of them. This would be the 25 thousandths one. We set it on top of the chainsaw and use this to guide to file off the top of the guide. And we'll mark this so I'll know which one to go to. First thing we're gotta do is change the wheel. Change your cutter head angle to 90 degrees. Bring your vise around to 0 degrees and then adjust it up so it just touches the one we filed a little tiny bit. So I've sharpened my saw blades, I've sharpened the right and left cutters. I also set and ground the depth gauge on the chain. There's other things you can check on the chain. It's always a good idea to clean them up before you start and store them in engine oil when you're done. You keep your equipment clean and well maintained. I like this machine. It's a lot better than trying to do it by hand with a file. I mean, you can do that if you want. It takes some practice to get good at it, and it is definitely a skill. If you found this video interesting, helpful, entertaining, or something to laugh at, leave me a comment. Subscribe, support the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.